How to join a gang in Streetz War 2. The first thing you can go ahead and check is by researching on their social media accounts, such as through Facebook or through Instagram or maybe Snapchat. Now, all you have to do to get to those social media accounts is to get the gang name or the group name. Once you already have the name, then you can definitely log into your Roblox account. And once you're fully logged in, you just have to go to groups on the left part of your screen, click groups, and then once you already have the name down, just search it here. For example, Street Wars 2. This is just an example, and click on the group that you wanted to join, and then to submit a request on joining that group, just simply click join group, and they will be the ones to reply to you once you are eligible to join that group. So that's how you join a gang in Streets War 2.